Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to post any post anonymously in Facebook group. First of all, you have to open Facebook and here you have to search for the group in which you want to post anonymous. After that, here you will see an option on the left side, anonymous post. Click on it. Here you can see, you have to click on it. Now here you type your post, whatever you want to post. After that, keep the icon of your anonymous post enabled on the top right. Now click on the top right post icon. When you click on the post, you can see that an anonymous post has been made in this group. In this way you can post anonymous in any Facebook group. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video.